Okay, just going to go over 3 advanced formulas. So the difference for the advanced formulas is that they use the words rather than just the basics. I'll do them the basic one real quick as well. So this is a separate example. As you can see here, they've got the list of all the countries. They've got gold, silver and bronze in this made up Olympics, and we have to work out the total amount. Now if I was to use a basic formula, remember a formula always starts with an equals, I would just click on the gold, press plus to add them, click on that one, press plus, and then click on the final one I want to add and press enter. Okay, we did that before anyway in the other videos. So again, a simple one would do equals, click, add, click the next, add on the click onto the next one, press add, and then click onto the next one. That would add all 3 of them together, which would add up to 63. Now advanced formulas save time, so what we can do is instead of doing all that and clicking all the way through, we do equals and we use this word only to add, and that is sum. Okay, so then you open the bracket once you've typed in the word, and this will add all these 3. So once I've opened the bracket, which is shift and 9, it's the curly bracket, not the square one, I can select all 3 of them. Okay, and then I just press enter. I can close the bracket if I wanted to, it's up here as well, but I can just press enter. Okay, so equals sum, open the bracket, select all of them, and then press enter. If I want to copy this down, I'll just use the autofill and it will do all of them for me. It'll copy that formula down for all of them. So again at the bottom here I can do equals sum, open the bracket, select all of the medals that are won by all of the countries, and the total amount of medals that was won in the whole Olympics was 769. So equals sum, the amount of gold that was won would be all of these, press enter, and so forth. In fact I can copy this going across and it will add all of those up as well. So another advanced formula is to find, if I use the word max, I can find out the highest one. If I use the word min, I can find the lowest. I can use the word average, which finds out the middle, the average, which you might have done in maths as well. And mode also does the average, but in a slightly different way. So it's exactly the same on each one, just the word changes. So equals, to get the longest jump would be the highest one. So max, open the bracket. Okay, so it's just the change of the word. Select all the ones that you want to look. It will look through all of these straight away for you easily, and it'll find the highest one. I can end the brackets, so I'm not going to press enter. 8.88, and which, okay, this is a shorter spreadsheet, but if it was a massive spreadsheet, this would be a lot more useful. If I can check this one quite easily. I know that's the highest one, I can see it. But if there was loads and loads of them, it would be very difficult. So to find the lowest one, I use equals min. Oops, equals min. Open the bracket. Again, exactly the same. Equals, just change the word, brackets. Select all the ones you want to search through. Press enter. Average, you might have guessed it, is the word average. Spell it right, otherwise it doesn't work. Equals average, it's not av, it's the whole word average on that one. Press enter, and then mode is literally mode, again exactly the same. Open the bracket, it's just the word that changes, and you can see that the average, so the one that's in the middle of all these jumps, the lengths, is 8.25, the mode is 8.04, the lowest jump was 7.91. There you go, those are advanced formulas for you.